Okay, hello. So I got a real quickie for you today. Um, Renan Diaz, and I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, asked about short long in the minor six diminished scale. So, as we know, the minor six diminished is a very interesting scale because it combines the melodic minor with the harmonic minor, and you put them together and you get this C minor six diminished scale. I actually had one teacher at the unnamed prestigious school where I attended call it a harmonic minor, which is, I guess you could call it that because it's both a harmonic and a melodic minor. Anyway, short long in this scale is really something else. So I might start here on the seventh, and so I have the short voicing D, E flat, G, and B, and then that'll move down, right? And the long version would be this, right? So there's that. So before I go up the scale, I'll share one little idea about doing short long in major and minor on that first degree. So, and I believe there's another video where I answered a question about Misty, and we did the same thing. It's really like saying C major to F7, right? So that's the interplay between the major and the minor. But let's try to take it up the minor six diminished scale. I never really tried to do this, so. The second now is going to be the diminished, right? But you have to think about you're borrowing the outer voices. Next one is going to be the sixth with borrowed outer voices. Then diminished. Six with borrowed. Diminished with borrowed six. That's cool. A flat, G, F in the left hand, and G, F, A flat. Sorry, I did it wrong. I played E, B flat. That is just so cool. And again, you'd never think of doing that, would you? You know, I gotta find something to do with this one. Anyway, where were we? Then you got six with diminished notes borrowed. I think that's what it is. Let's try that again. God willing, I'll do it correctly. Excellent question. Excellent question. How am I going to use that? By the way, there's nothing wrong with me being able to go in major. I don't know. I literally never did that before. But again, the whole idea of this is to find a framework and to plug it in. And, you know, by all means, throw some suggestions. Let's all steal from each other. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that one. How to do short long in the minor sixth diminished. Great question. All right, see you on the next one.